This is Audible.
Macmillan Audio presents What Happened to You by Oprah Winfrey and Dr. Bruce Perry.
Dedication. For my clan: Barbara, Grant, Jay, Emily, Maddie, Benji, Elizabeth, Catherine, Robert, and Emily. In loving memory of Martha McGillis Perry.
To the daughter girls in my life who believed they had broken wings, my hope for you is to not just fly, but soar. A note from the authors. This audiobook is for anyone with a mother, father, partner, or child who may have experienced trauma. And if you've ever had labels like people pleaser, self-sabotager, disruptive, argumentative, checked out, can't hold a job, or bad at relationships used to describe you or your loved ones, this audiobook is for you. Or if you simply want to better understand yourself and others, this audiobook is for you too. We know this listening experience will make you think and make you feel. And at times, the feelings may be hard and painful. For some, the intense and sometimes disturbing content will be a challenge. For others, the concepts about the brain may be unfamiliar and initially difficult to understand. We ask for your patience and trust with us and with yourselves. When you find the listening too challenging, stop. Put the program aside for an hour or a week. It will still be there when you feel able to return to it. And when you're ready to continue exploring why what happened to you shapes how you think, feel, and act, welcome. You just may discover a path forward.
For listeners who would like to view the diagrams that explain effects of trauma on the brain, please refer to the PDF that accompanies this audiobook.
Stop your crying, she would warn. You better hush your mouth. My face settled into stoic. My heart stopped racing, biting hard into my lower lip so no words would escape me. I do this because I love you, she'd repeat her defense in my ear. As a young girl, I was whipped regularly. At the time, it was accepted practice for caregivers to use corporal punishment to discipline a child. My grandmother, Hattie Mae, embraced it. But even at 3 years old, I knew that what I was experiencing was wrong. One of the worst beatings I recall happened on a Sunday morning. Going to church played a major role in our lives. Just before we were to leave for service, I was sent to the well behind our house to pump water. The farmhouse where I lived with my grandparents did not have indoor plumbing. From the window, my grandmother caught a glimpse of me twirling my fingers in the water and became enraged. Though I was only daydreaming innocently, as any child might, she was angry because this was our drinking water and I had put my fingers in it. She then asked me if I'd been playing in the water, and I said, "No." She bent me over and whipped me so violently, my flesh welted. Afterward, I managed to put on my white Sunday best dress. Blood began to seep through and stain the crisp fabric a deep crimson. Livid at the sight, she chastised me for getting blood on my dress.